What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Palantir stock. Guys, so this thing has done a belly flop on us. We had earnings on Palantir yesterday, and this thing gapped down. However, the way it closed yesterday, and this is during the time when I was doing the video, and let me take it to the hourly interval just to show you that. During the time that I was doing when I was doing the video, we were still somewhere up here. And pretty much where that red line is, actually, that's where we were. And I was talking about that structure was still bullish back then, right? So there were many things that I was seeing that we were holding this pivot over here, right? Let's go to the daily interval actually again. We were holding, just above $22.95. And I said that, guys, as long as we still keep holding above this structure hasn't changed to bearish. The structure is still bullish. It's a higher pivot. If we lose this area of $22.95 and so, then structure will start to look weaker. So yeah, based off the technicals, once we lost that level, structure became bearish. It is bearish. Was I expecting it? No. I actually wasn't expecting this thing to break $22.95. And well, yeah, and so, but it did that, right? And price action is the source of truth. So that's why we do that's why we take a look at the structure, and if the structure shifts, our thesis also changes because we follow the structure, we follow the price action, and if any position is taken in any direction and the structure doesn't support that, it means stop loss needs to be taken. These are the principles and disciplines of trading. So guys, yes, we lost the pivot today, and Palantir has continued to sell off, which most closely follows my theories that if we gap down, again, this doesn't happen always, but majority of the time, usually we have a follow through the next day. So Palantir didn't just follow through today to the downside, it also broke the structure, guys. So now the structure is not bullish, it's downtrending structure on Palantir. Losing this level of $22.92 has changed the structure, and Palantir is in the bearish sentiment now. We'll talk about if rebounds are a possibility, but before that, what I want to talk to you guys is that we have a room to fall to now $20.34 and also 200 days moving average. This is a potential fall that may continue to come in on Palantir. So we will have to trade off of with that properly. Okay, this thing is in the downtrend right now. Is there a way for this thing to turn itself back up again from here? Well, not right away. What do I mean by that, guys? Right now, let's go to the hourly interval. Right now, Palantir has a lot more possibilities of going lower. It's below 200 hours moving average as well. I'm just going to adjust something on my indicator here real quick, and that is the intraday depth levels low. All right, so yeah, guys, what to be done here is that any pullback on Palantir at this point to the level of $22.13 is just a rebound, and this may continue to sell off. There is a possibility of, okay, here's the thing, $22.12 is the level to watch. If we break out above it and above 200 hours moving average, this rebound can come all the way to $22.92, but that will still keep it bearish. But I'm just going to draw this box area for you so that you can see if we break above $22.12, then there's a room to come to $22.92, and that will be a bullish play, could be intraday play, however you want to take it. I'm just going to adjust the opacity here. Okay, and however, if we rebound, this is still your intraday potentially, but I would advise trading against the trend. There's just a lot more weakness. Even if the rebound comes, $22.12 is still a place that it can short itself to the downside. So yeah, guys, right now, as I said, Palantir has a much more room to continue to fall in coming days, right? Unless the structure changes. But right now, I'm not seeing any structure change to the upside. As I said, possibly intraday, if we get above 200 hours moving average, back to $22.93. But right now, that's not been shown to me in the structure. But you have the levels to watch for a potential structure change that I gave you. But so far, no. Palantir has on the daily interval changed the structure, losing this pivot of $22.92, and this thing can continue lower now, in my opinion. As I said, $20.29, or even 200 days moving average. We are selling off on a strong volume as well. It's a follow through. We had a strong volume going up yesterday, well, before earnings, and then we have a strong volume on a sell off as well. Something you can't ignore. So that's the analysis technicals on Palantir. Palantir shares post biggest daily slide since 2022 after forecast disappoints. So the forecast wasn't that bad. It's just they're just trying to give you a news framed in the words as what price action has already done. So they still, like the article says, the company raised its annual revenue forecast amid strong demand, right? They are still but the forecast missed Wall Street's lofty expectations. They're just trying to show you in the article that, oh, this is why price has fallen. You saw that they are just contradicting what they are saying up here than what they just said over here, that company raised its annual revenue forecast. They're contradicting the things because they just want to have a headline that fulfills in your bias of, or it's the reason that these articles, media, businesses, these companies are in the business. So because they provide you a self-fulfilling prophecy. They're like, oh, price fell, let us frame the article in a way we don't care about what is contradicting in our own article, but we just need to give something so that they see, oh, this is the reason, but this is not the reason. They also don't know the reasons. So that's why just stick with the technicals, guys. So technicals are not to the upside, and we have some, like Palantir Technologies is maintained at hold by HSBC. Palantir Technologies price target raised to $23. Now I'm not, yeah, sure, whatever. But the price action is not looking in that direction right now, guys. Okay. Citigroup maintains it neutral as well. So, well, and they raised the target to $25. Now I think they are just trying to double down. Oh, all right, guys. Or you will, once, if you will see all of this, you're gonna get confused too much. All these ridiculous articles that makes no sense. All right. Structure is not looking bullish. There may be some upside that may come if Palantir can get above $22.11, but until then, below that is just can continue just lower and lower. And even if above $22.11, that upside can only come if it comes only up to $22.92. That will still not change the structure fully to the bullish side. That will still be structure just rebounding and may be weaker. But yeah, that may turn it into choppiness at least first. But if price action turns to the upside, I'll talk about it, but right now I'm not seeing any of that. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, guys, bye.